This is the best camping windscreen I've ever used. 14 years ago, I made this, still using the exact same one I made in the video that I'm talking about 14 years ago. I uploaded that video. It's my most successful video by far. Not that that's saying a ton, but again, still using this today. The thing I love about this is first off, how cheap and easy it was to make. I'll link the video to me making that somewhere on the screen here. I love the way it nests around my pot, fits inside the little carry case for this GSI Duo or Dualist, I can't remember what they call this little cook set, but it nests perfectly around like this, and anytime I need to use it, it's right there. Everything I need to cook is in this little set here. And the way I tend to use this is I'll take it out on bike rides with the kids. I have kids now. I didn't when I made that video 14 years ago. This is the alcohol bottle stove that I've also talked a little bit about on this channel, which I also love. That just sits inside like this. The pot sits right on top like that. The windshield covers it up like this. I have everything I need in this little kit just to make, drinks or a very simple meal, boil in the bag or ramen or that kind of thing on the trail. So now that technology has advanced to the point that the video won't look quite so much like garbage, I'm going to remake the $1 windshield. There are a couple of design improvements that I will make this time around. Look forward to sharing that with you. But before I do that, I just wanted to pop on here and commit to making that video. Please do like this video. Please do subscribe to the channel to be notified when I share that updated video, because I think you're going to like it. Okay, that's it. Keeping it brief. This is Andrew with CampGearTV, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.